Welcome, and congratulations on taking the first step toward becoming a commissioned notary public in Georgia. This presentation walks you through every official requirement, straight from the Georgia Secretary of State and the GSCCA, so you know exactly what to expect. Whether you're looking to grow a business, add income, or serve your community, this credential opens real doors. Let's get started. Here's the exciting part. Becoming a Georgia notary is one of the most accessible professional credentials out there. The startup cost is minimal, the process is straightforward, and the benefits are immediate. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, strengthen your resume, or serve your community, this commission gives you all of that and more. And at just $70, $85 to get started, the return on investment can happen with your very first appointment. Take a close look at these requirements. You may already qualify. Georgia's eligibility criteria are straightforward and inclusive. One thing that often surprises people, there is no exam required and no surety bond in Georgia. That makes the process faster and more affordable than many other states. If you live in a bordering state but work in a Georgia county, you may also be eligible, which is a fantastic opportunity for those in the metro areas near state lines. 6 steps, that's all it takes. What I love about Georgia's process is how clear and linear it is. You'll notice that step 2 is a required training course, which is unique to Georgia and actually a great benefit. It means every commissioned notary in the state is properly educated on their duties. From start to finish, many applicants complete the entire process in just 1 to 2 weeks. Let's walk through each step in detail over the next few slides. Step 2 is where Georgia stands out from many other states, a required training course. But here's the good news. It's online, available through the official GSCCA website, and you can complete it at your own pace from the comfort of your home. Think of it as your foundation for success. The training covers everything you need to know to perform notarizations correctly and confidently. Once you finish, print your completion certificate. You'll need it at the clerk's office. This training sets you up for a professional compliant practice from day one. Steps 3 and 4 go hand in hand, and this is where things really come together. The application is straightforward. Find your county's online form, fill it out completely, print it, and then head to the clerk's office. Here's a pro tip. Do not sign the application ahead of time. The clerk needs to witness your signature as part of the oath process. Bring your training certificate, your ID, and your filing fee. And within a single visit, you could walk out with your notary certificate of appointment in hand. How exciting is that? Your notary seal is your official instrument. It's what transforms a notarization from informal to legally recognized. Georgia gives you the choice between an inked rubber stamp or a raised embosser, so pick what fits your workflow best. While adding your commission expiration date to the seal is technically optional, I strongly encourage you to include it. The state recommends it, and some documents will require it. Order your seal as soon as you receive your certificate so you're ready to notarize right away, and guard that seal carefully. It represents your professional authority. This is one of the most important updates for Georgia notaries. And if you're commissioning in 2025 or later, this applies to you from day one. As of January 1st, 2025, a journal is legally required when you notarize documents for self-filers. That means people who are parties to real estate transactions like deeds, mortgages, and liens. But here's my strong advice. Keep a journal for every single notarization you perform. The GSCCA recommends it, and it protects you professionally. A well-maintained journal is your best defense if a notarization is ever questioned. Think of it as your paper trail to professionalism. Let's talk dollars and cents, because one of the best things about becoming a Georgia notary is just how affordable it is. We're talking $70 to $85 total to get your commission. That's it. The biggest variable is your county's appointment fee, which ranges from $40 to $55. Your seal runs about $30 from a notary supply vendor. Compare that to other professional credentials that can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, and it's clear this is an outstanding investment. With even a few notarizations per week, you can recoup that cost quickly. Now that you know the steps, let's talk about standing out as a notary. The notaries who build thriving practices are the ones who go beyond the minimum requirements. Always keep that journal. Always verify identity, and always make sure your signer is clear-headed and sign in voluntarily. Protect your seal like it's gold, because professionally it is. And if you really want to grow, offer mobile notary services. Real estate offices, hospitals, care facilities, and law firms all need notaries on demand. That's where the real income potential lives. You've got everything you need to move forward with confidence. The path to becoming a Georgia Notary Public is clear, affordable, and absolutely achievable. Start at gscca.org to complete your training, then connect with your county's Superior Court clerk to file your application. From the time you start, you could be a commissioned Georgia notary within just a few weeks. This credential is the beginning of something great, a professional tool that opens doors, creates income, and lets you serve your community in a meaningful way. You've got this. Now go make it happen.